Hello again. Mga kalagaw layaw. This is our last stop. Sipunos Mirror of the World. Botanical Garden. Tama na ta. Sinatawag na Hollywood or Hollywood. No? Ano na siya, bebe?
Oh my days, ang gwapo lang ng Give it to me.
So, dito. Around the world, no? Mirror of the world, no? Si Katunas. Yan. 5th Asia Pacific Luminart Award. Wow! Ito po yun, ha? National Geographic, December 24 issue. Nasa aeroplano tayo. So this is the Bollywood. Kaya itong bali inunoy namin, hindi ko nung gabi, grabe ko nung lights. So okay lang. It's ano time na to is 3 in the afternoon. So meron nagsasabi na mas maganda pag gabi. Ato siya, wait pa tayo. Makuha pa. Akala namin yung binayad namin na 60 pesos doon. Wait. Tatlo. 170 yung entrance. So, ay 10. Yun. Yeah. Okay. So, hindi na ma-start. Yeah. Ito. Nalda. So, ano siya? Mirror of the world. Like Illuminum. Ito sa Minion, sige. Oh, yay! Yeah. Oh, Tower of Pisa. Eiffel Tower of Paris. Huh? Sa London clock.
London Bridge. Ice Bridge.
So, the whole place, view of the tourist spot around the world, like that. New York. Liberty. Statue of Liberty. There is the Statue of Liberty. Bohollywood. Bohollywood. See? This is the Merlion Lion of Singapore. Look at the Merlion Lion of Singapore. Oh, copycat. Huh? See that? Merlion Lion, Singapore. That's a mermaid. The bridge. Yeah, look at. Whoa! Look at the koi. Big koi, bebe. Big koi.
Are you masakot yun?
Oh, big koi. Lugulog. See yun? That's why it brings good fortune. No? Koi, no gold.
Hindi ka swim.
No, it's... Beb, ano nasa na bridge, Beb, oh? Hari, Beb, oh? The bridge. Yan, the bridge. That's in Rio. Brazil. I think Switzerland. Nice. Very nice. So, damo pa kadtuan. So, you don't want to go na makagasto around the world in one place, maubos mo, no? Matatapos mo talaga to tour around the world, dito ka pumunta, no? Mirror of the world, ha? In Bohol. So okay guys, picture muna tayo.